Students, today I will tell you from coordinate geometry one topic is the area of the triangle. How we will get the area of the triangle if the triangle's three vertex coordinates are given, and then you have to find the area of the triangle. Okay, that derivation I will tell you how and from where we are getting the area of the triangle formula. Okay, derivation of the area of the triangle formula. Area of triangle derivation of area of triangle formula. This I am going to explain. Now, what we'll do first, we'll have to draw the graph of this. This is the x and x dash. This is y and y dash. Then here the 3 points are there. Suppose this is the point A, this is the point B, and this is the point C. This is A, this is B, and this is the point C. This is the triangle. With that one, 3 vertices of the triangle. I am drawing. This B and the C is not on the same line. It is little bit slant. For that, what we have to do? We have to draw the perpendiculars from there. Okay. Let the A coordinates are what x1, y1, and this is the what x2, y2, and C is the what x3, y3. Students, you will see that here to get the area of the triangle formula, what we are seeking that, what we have to do, we have to get the area of this trapezium. 3 trapezium are forming. One this, two this, and third is this one. Means the sum of this area minus the sum of this area, that will be area of the ABC, and this is the suppose the D, E. This I am naming as the M. Okay. What will do the area of the trapezium AMDB, AMDB, or area of the trapezium AMEC. Both will add, and we will subtract the trapezium, another trapezium BCED. BCED is also a trapezium. Okay. This is the slant line. They are not parallel. So BCED trapezium will subtract, then we get the area of the triangle ABC. To get the area of the trapezium, you know the formula, area of the trapezium 1/2 sum of parallel sides into height. Okay. So first we write down that area of triangle ABC equals area of trapezium AMBB plus area of trapezium AMEC minus area of trapezium BDEC. Area of trapezium BDEC. You will see that VD is. These are three trapezium are formula. Area of the trapezium formula 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides is what there in AMDB. BD and the what AM, that both are the parallel, the BD plus AM write down, and height will be what, this will be DM because this is the perpendicular. Okay, this is the perpendicular into DM plus 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides, area of the trapezium AMEC, AM plus CE into what is the perpendicular there, EM, yeah, ME, minus 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides for the BD and CE, BD plus CE, you will see that, and into height is what, that is the DE, D is the height. In the line which is making the 90-degree angle, that we will make that. Now you have to name it. BD. BD will be what? That will be total length. You will see that. This is the x2. Okay. BD is what? X2. And AM is what there? No, BD is not x2, that is the y2, sorry. On y-axis it is then y2 plus AM is what there? That is the y1 into DM. DM is what there? Total length is what? x1, and in that x2 you have to subtract. x1 minus x2. You will see that this length is x1 and this length is x2. x1 minus x2. Plus 1 by 2 AM. What is the AM? AM is the what? Y1. And C is what? That is the Y3. Into ME. ME means this total length is what? That is the x3. And this is what? x1. x3 minus x1. Now minus 1 by 2, BD is what there? BD is what? x2 and C is what? x3. No, BD is not x2, that is the y2. y2 plus y3 into what is the length of the D? D will be what? Total length is what? x3 and this is what? x2. x3 minus x2. So here whatever the BD, AM, DM it is there, I have converted in the what? Coordinates. So now put that values 1 by 2 multiply that. 1 by 2 that will be common for everyone. That I am going to multiply x1 by 2. First x1 by 2 and plus x1 by 1. Now minus x2 by 2 and minus x2 by 1. Okay. Plus x3 by 1 plus x3 by 3 minus x1 by 1 minus x1 by 3. Now there the minus sign is there. Okay, there the minus sign, so that I am writing in the bracket because there will be confusion. So that will be x3 by 2 plus x3 by 3 minus x2 by 2 and minus x2 by 3. Now students, you will see that anything will be cut here. x1, y2. Okay, first we'll open all that. Then we'll see, we will cancel out. x1, y2 plus x1, y1 minus x2, y2 minus x2, y1 plus x3, y1 plus x3, y3 minus x1, y1 minus x1, y3, and this minus sign that will be negative, minus x3, y2 minus x3, y3 plus x2, y2 and plus x2, y2. Now let's see, something will be cancelled. x3, y3 here positive, then that will be cancelled. x2, y2 here is positive, x2, y2 here is negative, that will be cancelled. And x1, y1 here is positive and here is negative, that will be cancelled. So these 6 terms are cancelled. Now any other thing will be cancelled. No other thing will be not cancelled. So now we will write down the 1 by 2 x1, y2 and this write down x1, y3 one place. x1, y2 plus x2 is there, yes, plus x2, y3 then minus x2, y1 plus x3, y1 and minus x3, y2. So total 2 to 4 to 6 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are cancelled. Okay. So now you take the common 1 by 2. x1 will be common, then this will be inside y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle formula. Area of triangle. If the points are what, that is x1, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of the triangle ABC. In that way, different points will be there in different questions. So students, thus we have seen where here we have used the area of the trapezium. 2 trapeziums are there and separated the trapezium. We have got the area of the triangle. Okay, we'll check every steps. Thank you, students.